An expensive-looking garden is not created by buying expensive plants. It is created by repetition, strong shapes, seasonal layers, and the confidence to stop filling every empty inch with a different color. Nurseries may prefer the other explanation because the other explanation involves your credit card. These 10 North American natives can look polished while asking for very little once established. Regional fit still matters, and new plants need water during their first season. Low care begins after good planning. It does not begin when you abandon 6 random pots beside a downspout. Number 1. Prairie Dropseed. Prairie Dropseed forms a fine, arching fountain of green leaves with airy flower stems above it. In fall, the foliage turns warm orange and bronze. Repeated along a path, it looks like landscape architecture rather than a plant you bought from a folding table. It prefers full sun, good drainage, and lean soil. Cut it back once in spring. That is basically the entire management meeting. Number 2. Rattlesnake Master. Rattlesnake Master brings blue-green sword-shaped leaves and pale spherical flowers. The shape is so architectural that it looks designed by someone wearing black glasses and charging by the hour. It thrives in sun and lean soil, tolerates drought, and attracts small bees and beneficial wasps. Its taproot dislikes transplanting, so place it carefully. Number 3. Blue Falls Indigo. Blue Falls Indigo develops into a substantial shrub-like perennial with blue spring flowers, clean foliage, and dark seed pods. Mature plants can live for decades and handle drought once established. They are slow early because they are building deep roots. Give them space and avoid moving them. Patience is cheaper than replacing them. Number 4. Little Blue Stem. Little Blue Stem stands upright in blue-green columns, then turns copper, burgundy, and orange. Silvery seed tufts hold through winter. It prefers full sun and lean soil where it stays sturdy. Rich fertilizer can make it flop. Apparently, even prairie grass loses discipline after too much luxury. Number 5. Foxglove Beardtongue. Foxglove Beardtongue sends crisp white flower spikes above deep green foliage in late spring. Bumblebees use the tubular flowers, while the upright habit fits formal and naturalistic gardens alike. It handles sun to part shade and average soil. After bloom, the dark seed heads add structure without demanding deadheading. If you enjoy gardens that look designed without requiring a staff, subscribe. We are keeping the structure and firing the fuss. Number 6. Aromatic Aster. Aromatic Aster forms a dense, rounded mound covered in purple-blue flowers during fall. It tolerates heat, drought, and poor soil once established. Pinch it once in early summer if you want an even tighter shape. Give it enough width from the beginning. The plant will not honor the tiny footprint suggested by its nursery pot. Number 7. Showy Goldenrod. Showy Goldenrod produces upright yellow plumes in late summer and fall. It is generally more restrained than aggressive running goldenrods, and its vertical form looks excellent beside grasses. Pollinators use the flowers heavily, while birds take seed later. Leave the stems standing over winter and cut them back in spring. Number 8. Wild Quinine. Wild quinine carries flat clusters of small white flowers above coarse gray-green leaves. The effect is subtle, clean, and modern, especially in a repeated drift. It thrives in full sun and average to dry soil and attracts many small pollinators. It does not scream for attention. It simply looks expensive, which is how expensive things usually behave. Number 9. Dotted Blazing Star. Dotted Blazing Star sends fluffy purple flowers along upright stems in late summer. Monarchs and other butterflies visit, while the narrow foliage stays tidy. It loves dry prairie soil and deep rooting. Wet, enriched ground can shorten its life. Do not improve the site until the plant feels like a tourist. Number 10. Oak Leaf Hydrangea. Oak leaf hydrangea is native to parts of the southeastern United States and provides bold leaves, white flower clusters, rich fall color, and peeling bark. It prefers part shade and well-drained soil with moderate moisture. Once established in the right region, it needs far less fuss than many imported flowering shrubs. Give it room because mature plants become broad. Luxury requires square footage. The design secret is repetition. Use 5 prairie dropseed plants rather than 5 unrelated grasses. Repeat little bluey stem in 2 or 3 groups. Pair blue false indigo with lower wild quinine, then use aromatic aster and showy goldenrod for fall color. Keep a restrained palette and let texture do the work. The second secret is a clean edge. A narrow path, stone border, or crisp mown strip makes even a loose habitat planting look deliberate. Humans are easily reassured by straight lines. Use that weakness. The third secret is winter. Leave grasses, seed heads, and sturdy stems standing. Frost, snow, and low sunlight turn them into sculpture, while birds and insects use the habitat. A garden cut flat in October may be tidy, but it also looks exactly like nothing. Finally, stop feeding plants that prefer lean soil. Excess fertilizer creates weak growth, more staking, fewer flowers in some species, and an unnecessary relationship with the hose. Match the plant to the site and let adaptation handle the maintenance. An expansive look comes from structure, confidence, and restraint. The price tag is optional, the planning is not.